Oh my goodness.
What should you tell when you are buying new? Be more careful, though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
Hey KK gang, KK squad, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I hope you joined the KK squad. So I just got done deep conditioning my hair. I didn't comb it out or anything as yet. I didn't apply any products or anything at all. It's still wet. So as you can see by the title, I'll be using the Eco Style olive oil gel. This is new to me. I usually use the flaxseed and castor gel in the Eco Styler brand. So I just wanted to try something different. So let's get right into the video. So first, I'll be starting off by sectioning my hair. I'll be using the Aphogee keratin and green tea reconstructurizer. It has protein, so it's good to strengthen your hair and protect your hair from the heat. Next, I'll be using the Carl's Daughter Black Vanilla Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'll be combing out my hair with a wide tooth comb, starting from the ends of my hair and working my way up to the roots. Next, I'll be using the Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil to lock in the moisture in my hair. Now I'm applying the Eco Style olive oil gel, and as you can see, I'm doing the raking method, so I'll be raking it through my hair in small sections. Now I'm using my Denman brush to remove any tangles or knots and also to help define my curls. My hair is already getting dry, so now I'll be spraying water in small sections. Maybe because my hair getting a little longer, it don't look so bad anymore. Like, my curls are fine, or maybe just this gel. Oh my goodness, this defines my curls so easy. So, quickly the story on this gel. I went to the beauty supply store that I used to work at and purchased this olive oil gel. So I have a friend there, her name is Cindy. Big up yourself, Cindy. I was about to buy the castor and flaxseed gel, Eco Style gel. They only had the small one left. And I was like, damn, drive so far to only get the small one because it's 35 minutes drive from where I live. And she was like, no, use the olive oil one because it worked good for her hair and braid it. And I'm like, don't make me buy this big old joke and it not working. And she's like, trust me, it's gonna work. I'm gonna say, anyhow it don't work, I'm gonna bring it back to you. That's what I told her. She was like, bring it come, cause I know it's gonna work, And look at you. You need to start your channel because your natural hair popping and all these things. You need to start your channel, girl, because you have all you can do here and all of that, and you have all these good advices for hair products. Big up yourself. Love it. I don't know what's gonna be the outcome. It defines my hair better than the flaxseed and castor gel. I like it. I ain't gonna lie, I do like it. That was so easy. Hopefully it doesn't flake and no white residue. It just dry perfect. Let's see. So as you can see, I'm doing the same routine through each sections in my hair. Now I'm using the Denman brush to help define my curls. Yo, all that white residue makes me nervous. Alright, so I'm finally at the front with the same routine. First, I use my green tea, then I use my leave-in. After, I apply my oil to lock in the moisture, and then I apply my gel. After, I use my Denman brush to get rid of any tangles and to help define my curls. After, I add a little water, and then I start doing the raking method to also help define my curls. Also, for this hairstyle, I'll be doing a side part. You already know your girl loves side parts. Oh my goodness, why I always do my face like this? Every time when I'm almost at the end of my hairstyle, my face is always... Anyways, I'll be shaking my hair to plump my curls together, and that also helps define my curls for some reason. So now I'll be using the bobby pins to pin down my hair, so when my hair is dry, it's still in its place, if you understand what I mean. It's laid and my part is still there. Okay, so far my curls are defined. I love the way my curls look, but I'm just praying and hoping that it dries with no flakes, no white residue. So I'll be back when it's dry.